KKT Orthopedic Spine Center is a revolutionary treatment using cutting-edge technology. KKT is a technology which uses unique signature quantum waves to treat and improve ailments of the spine using a non-invasive, painless, and safe treatment plan. KKT is a scientifically proven, FDA-approved, certified, rigorously trialed and tested chosen treatment option for those who are suffering with spinal problems manifested in the back and neck to the spinal disorders and posterior disfigurement. KKT is a sophisticated advanced wave treatment. This mode of treatment uses quantum waves in a pioneering way. KKT is the first of its kind to use such techniques. The device which produces the quantum wave is applied externally, non-invasive onto the spinal column of a patient, whereby the sound wave is painlessly penetrated through the skin into the spine. This travels the full length of the spine and the body, realigning, relieving the pain, and carefully restoring the spine's health. This is achieved through cell and protein restoration and regeneration. Over time, KKT will aid in realigning and strengthening the whole body. KKT is a wave treatment designed for treating not only pain and discomfort, but also achieving significant outcomes in spine realignment, enabling people in returning to their normal activity and enjoying the highest quality of life. KKT was invented in Vancouver, Canada, where it was later founded in 1999. To date, KKT has grown to be a recognized global health center, reaching out, enriching, and enabling a better quality of life of our patients. KKT Qatar is an established state-of-the-art center with the most advanced treatment devices, equipment for diagnostic purposes, including our X-ray machines, (3D scan machines, and other facilities. KKT Qatar is managed and supervised by orthopedic surgeons and qualified physicians. All our doctors are licensed and have certified training from KKT Orthopedic Spine Center, located in Vancouver, Canada.
My name is Dr. Iman. It's been 1 year that I joined KKT.
I'm Dr. Ali Shtawi, and I have experience in KKT for more than 2 years.
My medical field of specialization is an orthopedic surgeon since 2009, working in the surgical field since that time till 2013. After that, I joined KKT Treatment in Qatar.
When I finished my master's degree in orthopedic, I began to search about the most advanced way of treatment in orthopedic, and I found this KKT.
When a patient arrives for their first visit to KKT Qatar, initially they will spend time with one of our doctors, whereby we learn and understand the patient's history, needs, demands, limitations, and well-being, as well as explaining about the procedure, X-rays, and treatment. Spine is the core part of our body. It is the main important connection between the brain and all parts of the body. Most of the surgeons now are trying to avoid surgery as a way of treatment for any cases of spinal condition. During the treatment, the vector is positioned into its patient-specific and unique settings. The stylus is placed painlessly on the vertebra of C1. Each one of us has a unique signature treatment. KKT calculates this on the first visit during the diagnostic assessment. This is applied to your spine in order to effectively treat your condition. Should the best mode of treatment for a patient's condition be a conservative method, KKT is one of the best options. This is due to a number of factors. The safety of the treatment, due to the accurate and concise diagnostic and assessment tools. KKT is one of the few treatment methods to be as robust, widely tested and researched with journals published within the scientific community. KKT is an affordable treatment when you're wanting to maintain and improve your health and well-being. KKT aids in the repositioning within the body, which you can see visually after one treatment. The KKT procedure is performed on an outpatient basis and typically takes about 20 minutes and enables patients to return to work and resume normal daily activities at the same day. KKT does not produce any forms of scarring, bruising, or swelling. Our patients receive acoustic waves in a range of frequencies. This has been determined scientifically by KKT to realign the spine. In controlled scientific studies, the Kkt frequencies are also shown to make dramatic changes in the production of key proteins in the disc. The disc changes happen through the positive effect of gene expression. These proteins are known to protect the disc from compression and damage. At KKT Qatar, our patients receive pre- and post-treatment assessments at each visit. This indicates the progression of their case. Our patients initially come for a first visit consultation. Our doctors spend ample amount of time understanding the patient history, investigating their past, which allows us for a concise, accurate diagnosis, treatment plan, and maintenance plan. Depending on the doctor's request and patient case, our patients undergo multiple custom-designed KKT X-rays and 3D imaging scans at our state-of-the-art facility. This is then followed by a PMA session which is supervised by a specialist. This is where a patient may ask for any questions to further understand and clarify anything that they have misunderstood. Upon their return visit, our doctors will study the case, understand the patient file and history, followed by a private discussion to determine whether the patient is a candidate for KKT or not. At this point, the patient will be presented with doctor's report of findings, treatment plan, and lifestyle modifications. Most of the spine problems are coming from incorrect or unhealthy postures in sitting, sleeping, walking, or it can also come from diet. The first scientifically achieved feature is related to KKT's impact on restoring the mean axis of rotation of spine vertebrae. Each vertebra has a fulcrum point which is noted during the normal vertebral movements. In most cases of spinal pain, these fulcrum points are moved to an abnormal position. The KKT treatment works to restore the spine through a very specific frequencies back to the normal positions, correcting its anatomic and biochemical function. At KKT, we also advise our patients on life modifications, physical modalities, manual therapy, and therapeutic exercises. KKE are exercises devised specifically for each patient and their medical case. The goal is to facilitate patients in their own recovery in both a passive and active manner. KKT Orthopedic Spine Center has envisioned the idea that healthcare should take care of others. And at KKT Qatar, that's what we do. We take care of our patients.
In KKT Qatar, we aspire to be one of the leading health care providers in the country as well as in the region. We would like to play a role in building a healthy society. We would like to play a role in providing a treatment that is very successful and very useful for our patients or for those who suffer from diseases or illnesses related to the spine. What KKT represents basically today is a hope for a lot of people who think that maybe their case is hopeless unless they go for surgery. We have to be a part of that. We have to be a part of building a healthy society in general.